Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Samantha. If you're new here, welcome. Today is going to be an exciting video. As you can obviously tell by the title, I'm going to be using the new Anastasia Amrezy palette, and I'm super excited. Got a little backdrop situation to kind of match the theme. It's like all pink and Barbie things, and it's cute, and I love it. And look at this packaging. This is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. It's just so pretty. I can't throw away pretty boxes. It's a problem, okay? And then this was in like the actual box, but I went ahead and took it out and just put it here so I can show you. This is the inside. It's so cute and pretty. Here's the palette. A mirror. I love mirrors. So let me take a thumbnail. Okay. Anyway, this cute card of the queen herself. Look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. She's so pretty. I love that look too. This is the back. Just tells you first ABH palette to feature all 16 new shades, including 10 eyeshadows, 4 pressed pigments, 2 pressed glitters. Full pigment formula is easy to blend, delivers high color payoff and buildable intensity. Shade range includes rosy tones, blah blah blah, cruelty free, all that fun stuff. Let's see, I know it launches the 13th. I don't know if this one's gonna be more than their other palettes. I would assume because it's bigger. But let me double check real quick. Launching January 13th. Limited edition palette featuring 16 all new shades, including, okay, I already said that. Available on AnastasiaBeverlyHills.com. First on the 14th. Oh, so it's the 14th, not the 13th. Palette will launch in retail and stores starting the 19th, and it's $49. So it's like $4 more than their usual palettes, which isn't bad. So let's do a size comparison of their usual palettes. So here's the Amrezy palette, and we'll get into it in a second. So here's the Amrezy palette, and here is the Alyssa Edwards palette. So you can see that this palette is a bit longer. And opening this bad boy right up. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love how there's all these cute pink shimmers, the blue shimmer, and then you got some neutral shades. It's so pretty. I think it fits Amrezy really well and the whole vibe that she has going on. Oh, here's another size comparison. The shades, the pan shades, the pan sizes are the same. It's just that there's 2 extra shades. So, and this gorgeous mirror, which you can also purchase, by the way. You can purchase the mirror and the PR box. I would do a little stain because I used the Milk makeup stamp last night. If anyone has that, you know. Anyways, yeah, this mirror is super cute. I love mirrors. Anyways, let me stop. I do love mirrors though. So let me swatch a few of these. Ooh, that barb feels so nice. It's like an iridescent pink. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Liddy. That must be like the pressed glitter. You can see that. Yeah, because it feels different than their shimmer, so that must be like what they consider the pressed glitter. Shimmers feel so nice. Yeah, Gemini and Liddy must be like the pressed glitter. That is so different because they swatch a little different. I'll see if I can get a better view of that. The shimmers feel amazing, like typical Anastasia shimmers. The pressed glitters don't look bad either. They just feel grittier than the shimmers. The shimmers feel softer. I'm gonna try the pressed glitters and some of these pretty shimmers. So I'll probably do 2 looks for this video. Let me just pull my hair back with these clips and get it out of my face. Okay. I don't know what I want to do exactly. So I'm just gonna start by priming my eyelids with the Anastasia primer. I always start off with eyes before everything, like even before brows, because to me it's just easier. Let me think of what I want to do first. So I'm just going to start off with the shade Wanted. It's just a really super light shade. We'll start off with it. Taking a little bit of OG. I want this to be like super light and iridescent on this part right here, so I'm just gonna lightly go in with that. Now I'm gonna go in with Barb, because it is just, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm just gonna pat that in with my finger, like all up here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Like, the camera's not even, well, it kind of is, picking up its full beauty. It's literally so gorgeous. It's like so pretty and like iridescent and just gorgeous. I'm gonna take some more primer. And I'm just gonna cut that to give it like a sharp edge. Now I'm just going to line it lightly with this NYX glitter. Okay, going in with a little bit more OG. Now I'm going to take a little bit of that Simsa, don't come for me, I literally don't know what that says. With that purple-ish plummy shade. Now I'm going to put the shade Reezy all over. It's so pretty, wow. It is so pink. Yeah, I can already tell I'm gonna use this shade a lot. So I went ahead and added gems. This is what I got so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alrighty, this is the finished look. I love the palette so far. I think it is gorgeous. The shades I used were stunning. It performed like I expected it to, honestly. The mattes blended nicely. The shimmers were perfect. And yeah, it's super cute. And if this color story speaks to you, I would really recommend getting it. And like, look how gorgeous this packaging is. So let's move on to look number 2. I did this eye because I really didn't know what I wanted to do or what direction I wanted to go in. But I wanted to use some of the browns and one of the pressed glitters because I was really curious about the pressed glitters. So I already have my eye primed like usual. Now I'm just gonna go in with New Yorker. Next I'm gonna take a little bit of OG right over that, put up a little higher. I'm going in with a little bit of 1988 just on the outer corner. This is going to be a really simple, easy to achieve look. Just going to darken it up some more. I'm taking the pressed glitter Liddy, and I didn't even need to put anything down first. I didn't need to put like a glitter primer or anything, and look. Like, look how beautiful. And I'm just putting it on with my finger. And I kind of want the messy glitter look, so I'm just patting that all over. And that is straight from the palette. That is no glitter primer or anything. It's so pretty. Now I'm going to darken up the edge a little bit. It does have some like serious fallout, but it's kind of to be expected with a pressed glitter. Glitter is messy. So if you're gonna use the pressed glitter, make sure you do your eyes first or you'll have glitter everywhere. I'm using tape to get it off my face. Super simple, super easy to do. I did this in like 5 minutes each eye. And it's really pretty. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner and finish this all up, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, this is the finished look. And let me tell you, I like this look so much. I think this pressed glitter is like my new favorite thing ever. Like, this was with no glitter adhesive, no glitter primer, no nothing. Just straight on a shadow with my finger, and it just looks gorgeous. Oh my gosh. It was this shade right here, Liddy. I'm obsessed with it. I'm gonna try Gemini next because that one's really pretty too. But here's what that looks like. If you can see it. Super pretty. It doesn't swatch well. Like, I was honestly kind of like concerned, but it looks so beautiful on the eye. And yeah, so I really like this palette. I think you should get it if you like the colors. It's gorgeous. It performs well. I love the love the pressed glitter. This is gonna be like my go-to glam look. Like when I need to look super glam. Like, it's just, oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. And I'll show you a close-up in just a second. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, that's about it.